Welcome to Performance Hospitality Management. My name is Mark Anderson, the Chief Operating Officer, and I'm very happy to welcome you to our team of top performers. Performance Hospitality team is comprised of highly talented, experienced, and passionate individuals who work together to achieve common objectives. And we pride ourselves in inspiring our guests and our associates through thoughtful delivery of lifestyle hospitality experiences. We are a team with integrity and strong determination who pursue excellence and open source.
Integrity.
Strong determination.
Excellence.
Open source.
These are the core values we share. Performance Hospitality manages a variety of lifestyle hotels associated with B Hotels & Resorts brand, along with other hotel brands such as Marriott, Hilton, and IHG. We focus on inspiring guests and associates through a thoughtful delivery of lifestyle hospitality experiences. We are creating a class act organization and aim to be the best hotel operator. At Performance Hospitality, our promise to our key stakeholders, including our guests, associates, and hotel owners, and the communities we reside in, is that we exceptionally deliver to satisfy their needs from us as a hospitality provider. We consistently deliver on our promise, overcome difficulties and challenges, and strive for the highest standards. We deliver, bottom line. Performance Hospitality offers a wide variety of benefits and perks. Be sure to take advantage of our exceptional benefits, including medical, dental, vision, and a wide range of voluntary programs. Enjoy paid time off and a celebration day of your choosing. We offer recognition programs and leadership events throughout the year. Our associate and friends and family travel program allows you to enjoy an exclusive discounted rate at all our hotels. Learn more about our Starfish Rewards program and other associate programs through your HR representative. There are many growth opportunities within the company.
Hello, my name is Chris Stavridakis. I'm the Director of Finance here in Tampa. I've been with the company for about 6 years now. I started in the corporate office as a line level manager, and through the years I've gone up the ranks. I'm now a Director of Finance here. If you set your mind to it, the possibilities are endless with this company.
Welcome to the PHM team. I would like to see you highly successful and fulfilled. Let's learn more about your hotel brand.
Welcome.
Bienvenidos.
Welcome.
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 Welcome. Buying.
Welcome.
Bienvenidos.
Welcome.
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 Mabuhay.
Bienvenido. Welcome.
B Hotels & Resorts defines and establishes the next generation of lifestyle hotels, inviting guests to revel in self-expression hospitality and tailor experiences how they desire them to be. The DNA, which stands for destination, in vogue, and approachability, defines the experience, style, and character of each hotel. Core B signature elements available at each property ignite a genuine emotional connection to the hotel and the brand, delivering the brand aspirations. Combining lifestyle characteristics with distinct, engaging elements, guests are provided a platform to express their individuality with no inhibitions. What is B? B, the word which B stands for, is one of the most common words in the English vocabulary. B is an effective means of defining and expressing an individual's personality, desires, and aspirations. It is an invitation, a call to action. B creates a space to express who we are and how we want to be. Be happy. be creative, be accomplished, or just be. The B brand is an innovative, playful, and unpretentious class of hotels and resorts that understands and welcomes today's travelers. It provides a personalized hospitality experience for each guest and ignites a genuine emotional connection with the hotel, the brand, the hotel associates, and other guests. Our brand foundation is in its DNA. Destination. The experience incorporates characteristics and cultural influences of the smaller district and larger destination, promoting local adventures in the surrounding environment. In vogue, the design of each hotel is stylish, inspiring, and playful, and conveys upscale appeal with great attention to detail, accentuating the hotel's physical attributes. Approachability. The venue's environment and services are authentic and unpretentious, comfortable, functional, responsive to the guest needs. This allows guests to feel at ease and in turn encourages social interaction. Self-expression hospitality. The B brand offers experiential lifestyle and well-being hotels where guests and associates are encouraged to express themselves without inhibitions or fear of reprisal. What clearly differentiates the B brand from any other hotel brand is that B provides an open source platform, allowing user-generated content. Every one of our guests and hotel associates has an active role in forming and enhancing the B brand, as well as the overall guest experience.
Welcome to the B Resort. How can I be of assistance?
The use of brand language allows guests and associates to cleverly engage with the brand and the hotel.
Be nice.
Be boastful.
Be familia.
Be resourceful.
Be happy.
Be delicioso.
Be passionate.
Be positive.
Brand aspirations. The brand strives to provide an experience that resonates with guest self-expression discovery. Be nourished, as related to mind, body, and soul. Be adventurous and explore the world and self-potential. Be compassionate by actively caring for the community and the environment. The brand aspirations are delivered by the brand signature elements and various programs such as Be Foodie, Be Cause, and Be Humane. We have exclusive promotional offers for our guests, including our signature $1 birthday stay and our Be Intimate weddings. We are excited to have you be a part of our dynamic team. Let's explore your hotel.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Bienvenidos.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Bienvenidos.
Bienvenido.
Welcome.
Welcome to the B Resort and Spa in Disney Springs Resort area. My name is Cindy Staley. I'm the general manager of the resort. Let's take a tour of this amazing resort.
Hello, my name is Phil Spivey, the Director of Rooms here at the BEA Beautiful B Resort and Spa here in Orlando, Florida, where we are located right down the road from Walt Disney World. Walt Disney World is currently celebrating their 50th anniversary, and what better way to spend a nice, relaxing vacation than here at the B Resort and Spa. We have plenty of transportation to the parks, and after a long, tiring day at the parks, you You come back here to the hotel, unwind, relax in one of our beautifully decorated rooms where you can watch the Disney fireworks nightly.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Bienvenidos.
Welcome.